Today we're looking at 5 incredible kitchen gadgets that genuinely upgrade how you cook. These aren't gimmicks, they're smart tools designed to save time, improve results, and make cooking more enjoyable. From automated stirring to precision cooking technology, each gadget brings something unique. Stay until the end because number 1 completely changes kitchen precision. Starting with number 5, this glass air fryer brings a modern twist to everyday cooking. The transparent design lets you watch food crisp in real time, while powerful air circulation delivers fast, even results. It's compact, stylish, and incredibly versatile, making it perfect for quick meals, snacks, and healthier cooking. At number 4, this automatic pot stirrer takes multitasking to another level. It continuously stirs soups, sauces, and risottos without you lifting a finger. Adjustable speed control keeps everything moving evenly, preventing burning or sticking. It's perfect for long recipes, letting you step away while your food cooks. Number 3 brings a premium touch with this electric salt and pepper mill. Sleek design meets effortless one-handed operation, delivering freshly ground seasoning instantly. Adjustable grind settings allow precision control, while the rechargeable base keeps it ready anytime. It's a small upgrade that instantly elevates both cooking and presentation. Coming in at number 2, this sous vide precision cooker transforms home cooking into restaurant-quality results. It circulates water at exact temperatures, ensuring perfectly cooked steak, chicken, or vegetables every time. Simply set it, wait, and finish with a quick sear. The consistency and tenderness make it incredibly impressive. Taking the top spot, this wireless smart meat thermometer completely changes cooking accuracy. It monitors internal temperature in real time and sends updates directly to your phone. No wires, no guesswork, just perfectly cooked meat every time. Whether grilling, roasting, or smoking, this gadget delivers professional-level precision effortlessly. Those were 5 powerful kitchen gadgets that can seriously upgrade your cooking experience. From smart automation to precision temperature control, each one offers real value. Check the links in the description to see more details. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more gadget discoveries and tech that actually improves everyday life.